Ladies and gentlemen, this is big. Hi guys and welcome to Shaz Tech. I'm Shaz and today I've got some breaking news. Samsung has cancelled the launch event of the Galaxy Fold in China. So as a consequence, electronic stores of Samsung will not receive the Galaxy Fold until all employees are trained to cope with customer questions as well as any new technologies that may be placed on the Galaxy Fold after they finished their research. The delay is happening because they are inspecting the problem of the Galaxy Fold, and to be honest, I think that Samsung should take as much time as they need to sort out this problem so that it doesn't become mainstream when it's released to the public. So guys, make sure that you like this video and you subscribe for more tech news as they come. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.